Hey, Map here, Map Investments. So let's take a look at what the market. Well, let's take a look here because that's the after hours. But we had a rip-facing rally today. We can see the Asian markets are up, but boy, oh boy, oh boy, poor shorts. 500 plus on the Dow, 75 on the S&P, NASDAQ 250. It was just a rip roaring rally. We had a better jobs weekly claims. They were lower than expected. I think only 200 and something thousand lost their jobs, first time claims, and I think the PPI. Let's take a look. I think our boy here, Peter. What did Peter say on the PPI? Where did Peter go? Peter said producer prices jumped 0.5% in September, bringing the year-over-year rise to 8.6. We haven't experienced inflation this bad since the stagflation of the 70s. And in the 70s, Paul Volcker, well, not the 70s. Actually, was it the 70s? I would have to check exactly, but I think it was the 70s. Paul Volcker had to raise interest rates to 20% to bring in inflation. Anyways, the difference is the numbers didn't get this bad until the end. Of that decade. The current stagflation decade is just getting started, so he thinks it's gonna get worse. So that was only that. I think that was all that we had today in the news front, and this made the market rip higher. I mean, it was poor shorts. It was really bad, and so let's go now to the futures and look at the after hours. I think the dollar was down, and it's down now again. It's under 94 handle. And so currencies are mixed. Oh, wow. Bitcoin, big reversal. Bitcoin was at 57 a minute ago. It must have just jumped. What the hell? Holy cow. What a bar. Something must have happened. Probably China said, well, we'll take Bitcoin again. Look at that jump. Wow. So cryptos must be booming. Let me go back to Coinbase. Something happened here. Can't see any news. But wow, we got a pretty good flip there because of my last video. Well, anyways, you can see it there in the futures. You can see it there in the futures. Wow. You know, you could buy Bitcoin futures. I have to switch accounts. Would have to be maybe this one. See if I have balance here. Yeah, I could. So let's see how much this contract would cost. I want to say it's like. Oh, so they raised it. So it's 4,166 for this contract. I'm not gonna buy it. I just wanted to see it. So yeah, man. Wow, Bitcoin is ripping. Okay, so oil, almost 82 a barrel. Man, that's just more inflation for you and me in the energy costs. That's bad. We have the S&P up again, 13. Gold, just right at almost 1,800. Stable asset. Most stable asset in the world is gold. Cattle was up $1.30. It's a 130 feeders at 158. Gotta see why hogs are just lingering. Copper, it's a highs, 465. Small caps up 6. NASDAQ up 50 almost. Dow Jones up 100. Natural gas down a nickel. Platinum and palladium were big up. Platinum up a little bit and palladium down some. Silver up 15 cents. VIX down a little bit. The grains are down a little bit. And interest rates are higher. Yep. On the trade front, let's just go. No, trade, no, on the order front. I did a video on BWin. I have to close stuff out because they expire tomorrow. So let me see what else. I think Momo is an undervalued stock with Chinese risk, obviously regulation and stuff, but it's been pretty beat up. I closed some stock positions to raise some capital, but I still like Momo to go back up. It's undervalued based on the Guru Focus and the calculator there that you could plug in the name. Gamble GMBL was trending on stock tweets. Pretty good one. It was trending all day today. PAVM got beat up, and I took a shot as a contrarian play. Tiger also, China name, got beat up. WTRH, Morgan Stanley took a huge position. It's cheap dollar stock. Take a look at that. They do food delivery, and I think what's the guy that Tillman Fertitta or whatever? I think he owns the Houston Rockets. I think he has a vested interest in that company, if I'm not mistaken. AGC, high short interest, low float, was trending on stock tweets. Orphan is a bio. I took a shot on a contrarian play on a reversal. Bros was on Jim Cramer tonight. They do like drinks and stuff. And Tattoo Chef also was trending on stock tweets. So the one that I've been seeing trending the most the last couple days, Annie was trending too. I closed that position, and I have another one for November. Gamble's been trending, and that's probably the one that's been trending the most here constantly. But at some point, a lot of these were trending. Well, anyways, I'm not shorting this market. I raised some cash today, and I closed some options, and I really need soybeans to get out of the hole. They've been dragging their butts. Gotta make a decision there soon. And anyways, that's what I saw today. We can see what's trending now. Let's take a look. What's trending now? Space got hammered. Unfortunately, I have a position in there, but it's a small one. I think this one is has to do with like space. I have a small position in there. Upstart's amazing. I have a position in BBIG. They're an NFT play. Fubu have a position, and AGC is still trending, which it seems like it wants to explode. I put a position on that. They were trending here in stock tweets. We had earnings today from the big banks, and Bank of America was up $2. Wow, nice. Wells was down. Citi was up a little bit. Wow, Walgreens, nice day. Alcoa, nice day. Remember, it was a broad-based rally, so a lot of A lot of green everywhere. We shouldn't have, tomorrow we only have 9 earnings. We do have Goldman Sachs. That's a big bank. But the fun should start next week when we really get into the hundreds, I think. 10 on Monday, 38 on Tuesday, 76 on Wednesday, 88 on Thursday, Friday 17. And then I think it gets even bigger the following, 167, 355, 302. Yeah, you get into the heart of earnings. So should be interesting and fun. But yeah, I looking at this now, I like BBIG and I like AGC. They've been trending a lot, and I have them in the portfolio. Fubu as well has been trending a lot lately, and I have that in the portfolio as well. And Gamble. So take a look at those and put them in your watch list. And if you need any help formulating any trades or whatever you want to talk about, chime in. Share the video, like, subscribe, and have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.